Hey guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing Paperless NGX. Now, it is actually a really good tool, okay? And what it does, it basically takes a PDF or scanned document and the OCR, okay, the engine, the optical character recognition engine, it works magic for you. The text becomes instantly searchable, okay? And with a little training, well, it automatically tags and names the files for you. The search function is so good that you would never have to worry about folders again. You just search for a keyword and the document is right there. It also completely is free and you have full control of your data. I'll go over the cons as well because the kicker here is the setup. Okay, most of the people find this the initial hurdle, the technical hurdle. It's significant too. You need to be comfortable with Docker and self hosting. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can run into frustrating issues with updates or system resources. And also, OCR is a CPU and RAM hog, so it's not ideal for the low power hardware. But if you are willing to put in the time to set it up correctly, then Paperless NGX is the best document management solution out there. It's a powerful one time investment in your sanity that frees you from the paper clutter, and just be prepared to get your hands dirty initially. So keep that in mind while you go ahead with this. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.